The Arnold Classic is not the Super Bowl, and that's perfectly okay. A lot of you are gonna hate me for this video. Good, I love my haters. All of them are welcome. Subscribe and join the party. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. In Columbus, Ohio, the Arnold Classic is a second tier competition, period, full stop, end of the story. And I can prove it. Let's look at the cold, hard facts. The winningest man in Arnold Classic story? Dexter the Blade Jackson, an amazing bodybuilder, 5 open Arnold Classic titles, absolute legend. Mr. Olympia wins, just one in 2008. Second on the list, the great Flex Wheeler, 4-time Arnold winner. Many says that Wheeler was the most aesthetically perfect bodybuilding physique that ever lived. Olympia titles, 0, and never even Mr. Flex Wheeler got the chance to touch the sand though. Jay Cutler, another great bodybuilder who swept the Arnold 3 years in a row, only meant to do it while Ronnie Coleman was busy making him look like an amateur at the Olympia. Jay literally had to wait for Big Ronnie to retire before he finally got his moment and won the Olympia. The numbers don't lie, bro. The Arnold Classic is where the almost champions got their chance to shine. Classic physique tells exactly the same story. Rough Diesel, also known as Terence Ruffin, Bakum you can see from space, tiny waist, insane detail. He has won the Arnold Classic twice. The man who has won more Arnold Classic physique titles. The only man to ever do so. But how many Olympia titles has won Mr. Ruffin? Still 0. And always the bridesmaid. Chris Bumstead, the king of classic physique, 6 straight Olympias. Has Sibum ever competed at the Arnold Classic? Nope. Never needed to and never will. 2025 Arnold. Mr. Badass Mike Sommerfeld absolutely destroyed his competitions. He destroyed Logan Franklin, who looked really good. Then they both go to the Olympia, and Ramon Dino smokes Sommerfeld, while Logan finished at 8th place. Same stage lights in Columbus, totally different gravity in Las Vegas. Here comes more hard facts. Nick the Mutal Walker, Arnold champ, and no Olympia. William Bonac, Arnold champ, and no Olympia. Justin Compton, I don't know who is Justin Compton, Arnold champ, and no Olympia. The great Branch Warren, Arnold champ too, and no Olympia. Dennis Wolf, Arnold champ, no Olympia. The totally great and mind-blowing Kite Greeny, another Arnold champ, and half the internet cries that he should have won in 2014, but still have 0 Sandos. The Arnold has Arnold name, Arnold money, bigger prize every year, better production every year, more media, more sponsors, more everything except legacy. Because money don't buy immortality. Joe Wader created the Mr. Olympia in 1965 for one single reason: to crown the single best physique on planet Earth. Every man who's ever won it defined totally an era. Just think about them: Sergio Oliva, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Frank Zane, Lee Haney, Dorian Yates, Ronnie Coleman, Jay Cutler, Phil Heath, Big Ramy, Hadi Chupan, Derek Lunsford, and Samson Dauda. Some names hit harder than others, but every single one of them carried the weight of being the guy, of being the best. The Arnold Classic rewards excellence, while the Olympia demands perfection, or it buries you. Look, I get it. Arnold launched his show in 1989 as a love letter to the sport and to himself. Respect. But building a prestigious event isn't the same as building the definitive one. Mr. Heavy Duty, Mike Menzer himself, used to say intensity beats volume every time. Same things here. You don't need to win every show on the calendar to prove you are the best. But you just have to show up once a year in Las Vegas and destroy everybody when the only trophy that matters is on the line. Perhaps one day the Arnold might buy triple what the Olympia does pace. The stage might be flashier, the live stream may have 10 million viewers, but you know it doesn't matter. Bodybuilders don't starve, bleed, and inject for 15 years to win the world's most expensive consolation prize. They do it to stand just under those Las Vegas lights in October and hear one single sentence. And the new Mr. Olympia is, believe me, everything else, no matter how big the check, how loud the crowd, or whose name is on the banner, is just single noise. The Arnold Classic will always be the best second place trophy in the world, and the second place is still the second place.